Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and I am currently undergoing data science certification program from IvyProSchool School. So as a part of a curriculum, today I will be demonstrating my research project which is on store sales analysis through Power BI. So before I jump into the analysis part, at first let's understand my data. In my data, at first I have the names of various segment of sales. We have the name of all the countries, the product name, the discount, whether it's a high, low, medium, or no discount is offered on a product, units sold, number of units being sold of each and every product, the manufacturing price of the product, the sales price of each product, the gross sales, the discount, the total sales, net sales of each and every product, the cost of goods sold, the profit being generated by each product country wise and segment wise. Then we have a date wise sales. Then we have month numbers, name of month, and at last I have years. So now let's get back to the analysis part. This is the data of 2 years 2013 and 2014, and in the first row you can see there is different performance indicators. The first performance indicator is the sales by date, and in this indicator we can find there's a total of 117% of growth in 2 years from 2013 to 2014. If I see the units sold, we can also find there's a 79.8% of increment in 2 years of sales. If I look the profit wise, there is a 235% of increment in the profit, and the cost of goods sold, the cost of also being increased by 102% by each and every product in these 2 years. Next, if I look the cost of goods, net sales and profit by product, we can find that Passio the product has the highest profit margin of approx $4 million. Then we have a VTT product which has a profit margin of approx $3 million. Then we have Velo of approx $2.3 million. Then we have Amarilla, then Montana, and then Carretera. If I look the cost of goods sold and net sales by country, we can find the United States of America has the highest cost of goods sold and net sales, followed by Canada, France, Germany, and Mexico. If I look segment wise, in segment wise, we have a government segment which is contributing almost 44.54% of net sales, followed by small business is contributing approx 36% of net sales. Then we have an enterprise which is contributing around 15.91% of net sales, then followed by a mid market which is around 2.02%, and at last we have a channel partner which is contributing almost 1.53% of net sales. If we look about the manufacturing price versus sales price, there is a quite good margin between the market manufacturing price and the sales price. So we can see there is a good profitability which can be earned. So based on this analysis, we can understand that the product, country, and the segment is playing a major role in understanding the business profitability. So now let's see out of these three parameters, which parameter plays the most important role. So over here we can see out of these three parameters, segment has the highest priority for the total profit, followed by product and then country. And in segment we have a government segment which is contributing the major profit, and in government segment we have a product called Pasio which is being sold in Canada, is has the best combination of generating a major profit. So from this kind of tree we can understand that which parameter we should focus more to maximize our profit overall. So now let's get back to our contents. At last, I have an ask a question which is quite an interesting tool. With this, we can summarize our data and we can extract any information about our data just by writing a line of sentence. For example, if I want to know top 5 country, sorry, top 5 country by sales or by profit, we can see the France has the highest profit. In similar way, if I want to know top product by profit, you can see passive which has generated a return profit of around 47 lakh 97,435 dollars of profit. And there's a similar way you can also find top segment by profit. So we can find government has the highest profit. So this type of things basically helps you to understand and summarize the data in a very easy manner. So that's all from my side. Hope you all like this project. Thank you so much.